Title: 10 Best Foods for Strength and Muscle Building, Powering Up Your Plate. In the quest for a strong and muscular physique, hitting the gym regularly is only half the battle. Equally important is what you put on your plate. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in achieving your strength and muscle building goals. Let's delve into the top 10 best foods for strength and muscle building that can supercharge your workouts and help you reach your fitness aspirations. 1. Lean protein. The cornerstone of any muscle building diet is lean protein. Foods like chicken breast, turkey, fish, and lean cuts of beef are rich in high-quality protein, providing the essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. Including these protein powerhouses in your meals ensures that your muscles have the building blocks they need to thrive. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not just a delicious snack, it's also a potent ally in your muscle building journey. Packed with protein and low in sugar, Greek yogurt supports muscle recovery and promotes muscle growth. Its versatility allows you to enjoy it as a standalone snack, mix it into smoothies, or use it as a creamy topping for your favorite dishes. 3. Eggs. Eggs are nature's powerhouse when it comes to muscle-building nutrition. Loaded with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals, eggs are a complete package for muscle growth and strength development. Whether you prefer them boiled, scrambled, or in an omelette, incorporating eggs into your diet can give you the edge you need in the gym. 4. Quinoa. Quinoa is a nutrient-dense grain that deserves a prime spot on your plate. Unlike refined grains, quinoa is packed with protein and complex carbohydrates, making it an ideal choice for fueling your workouts and supporting muscle growth. Additionally, quinoa contains essential minerals like magnesium and zinc, which play crucial roles in muscle function and recovery. Swap out traditional grains for quinoa to give your muscles the nutritional boost they need. 5. Salmon. Not only is salmon a delicious addition to any meal, but it's also a nutritional powerhouse for strength and muscle building. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein, salmon supports muscle repair, reduces inflammation, and enhances overall muscle function. Grill, bake, or steam salmon for a tasty and nutritious meal that will help you reach your fitness goals. 6. Lean beef. Lean beef is a staple in many muscle-building diets for good reason. Packed with protein, iron, and zinc, lean beef provides the nutrients your muscles need to grow and thrive. Opt for lean cuts like sirloin or tenderloin to minimize saturated fat intake while maximizing protein content. Incorporate lean beef into stir-fries, salads, or sandwiches for a satisfying and muscle-building meal. 7. Spinach. Popeye was onto something with his love for spinach. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support muscle health and recovery. Spinach is particularly high in nitrates, which can enhance blood flow to your muscles, improving nutrient delivery and performance during workouts. Add spinach to salads, omelets, or smoothies to reap its muscle-building benefits. 8. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is another dairy delight that deserves a place in your muscle-building arsenal. Packed with casein protein, cottage cheese provides a slow-release source of amino acids that can fuel your muscles throughout the day and support overnight recovery. Additionally, cottage cheese is low in carbohydrates and fat, making it an ideal option for those looking to build lean muscle mass. Enjoy cottage cheese on its own, or mix it with fruit for a delicious and protein-packed snack that will keep you satisfied and energized. 9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a carbohydrate-rich superfood that can fuel your workouts and support muscle growth. Packed with complex carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, sweet potatoes provide sustained energy for intense training sessions while replenishing glycogen stores post-workout. Their vibrant orange color indicates high levels of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that promotes muscle recovery and overall health. Roast, bake, or mash sweet potatoes for a nutritious and muscle-building side dish. 10 almonds. Almonds are not only a convenient and tasty snack, but they're also a nutritional powerhouse for strength and muscle building. Rich in protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients like magnesium and vitamin E, almonds support muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and boost overall muscle function. Their portable nature makes them a perfect on-the-go snack for fueling workouts and promoting recovery. Incorporate almonds into your diet as a standalone snack or sprinkle them over salads and yogurt for an added crunch and nutritional punch.
In conclusion, incorporating these 10 best foods for strength and muscle building into your diet can significantly enhance your fitness journey. By prioritizing lean protein sources, nutrient-dense carbohydrates, and healthy fats, you can provide your muscles with the fuel and nutrients they need to grow, recover, and perform at their best. Whether enjoyed individually or combined into delicious meals and snacks, these foods can help you achieve your strength and muscle building goals while nourishing your body from the inside out. So, power up your plate with these muscle building foods and unleash your full potential in the gym and beyond. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to nutrition and fitness. Make these muscle-building foods a regular part of your diet, and pair them with a well-rounded exercise routine for optimal results. By prioritizing quality nutrition and staying dedicated to your fitness goals, you can build strength, sculpt muscle, and unlock your strongest, healthiest self. So, next time you're planning your meals or reaching for a snack, keep these powerhouse foods in mind. Your muscles will thank you, and you'll be one step closer to achieving the strong, muscular physique you desire. With the right fuel and determination, there's no limit to what you can achieve in your fitness journey. Incorporate these 10 best foods for strength and muscle building into your diet today, and get ready to crush your goals, one nutritious bite at a time. Your body, mind, and muscles will thank you for it. Happy lifting and happy eating. Disclaimer: always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or dietary restrictions.